Do you have a problem pronouncing between wa, we? Many Korean learners do actually, and most of the times they drag the vowel sound or putting extra sound. So let's fix this once for all today. First, wa. It's o plus a. So start with o, lips round, and glide quickly into a. O, a. Wa, wa. But here's a mistake. Many learners says wow by adding extra u at the end. Wow. That's wrong. In Korean, wa is clean and short, just like wa. Next, we. It's o plus e. Let's start with o and glide it into e. O, e. We. But mistake is saying way, like English word way, by adding y. That's too long. Correct Korean pronunciation is just one syllable, simple. We. Finally, we. The formula is o and plus e, but sounds like we. Important thing is that don't say oi. Start with o, glide forward, but stop just before you reach e. Okay, but landing around e. So practice with o, e. We. Now, let's practice them in a row. Wa, we. One more time. Wa, we. So keep them short, clean, and smooth. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments.